Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp web shortcut on your desktop. So it's very easy. First, you can go to your Google Chrome and then you can go to your web.whatsapp.com. After that, you can just copy the link here like this. And after you copy it, you can go to your desktop and right click here. And then you can see there is new. You can click here and then you can just click shortcut here. After that, you can paste the link and then you can just click next and then you can type the name. I will just type WhatsApp web and then click finish. And now you have WhatsApp web shortcut on your desktop. If you click it, it will bring you to the WhatsApp web. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.